Making a movie. Yes. A normal, really normal.
Hindi normal.
Hindi. Hindi. Ipapahabain natin. I-waste natin yung time nila.
What the fuck?
I-waste natin yung time nila. Tsaka, pupo na sa harap. This will gonna be fun. Now, go.
Babalin yung pupo.
Yan. What a normal, really normal movie. Ano next natin gagawin movie kapag ano? Tsaka add time wrap. Yes. Music. Car friends. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Guys, this is only for fun, but we're gonna make
A real movie. We are really
Later.
serious. We are really serious.
We're gonna just do this to have some fun.
Yes. Game name called My Movie. You could edit something and do.
No,
But-
this the name game edit the movie.
No, shut up! Who should you believe? Him or me?
Me.
Comment down below. Kahit hindi sila nagko-comment, kami lang. Kawawa. Ayun. Very Hollywood.
Ikaw na ito, manood ka. Dapat
Okay.
huwag ka mag... ang cringe.
Okay. Wow. Yes. Let me get it. I like.
Ang ganda.
Yes, ang ganda. Sinot yung tae. Sana maraming likes. Sana maraming likes.
5 likes lang.
Okay lang. Ako nga walang likes, 3 views. Pero, tinan mo yung movies ko. Ano ko ako dun. Itong movies ko pala Pero wala na akong time para i-show sa'yo. Let's go. Nagkakagulat kang ikaw noob. Malaking mata. Okay, let's go. Shut up! Okay.
Ano kayo movie?
Movie about yourself or a life of a killer. Ako yung victim, ikaw yung killer.
Ako victim.
Okay. Ikaw victim, ako killer. Okay. Okay. Ang laki mo naman! Taba mo! Mag-exercise ka! Ang liit! Okay. A life of a killer. Yes. A life of a killer. Or a lie of a killer. You don't kill anything. Shut up, man. Okay. Ikaw victim. Litin mo nga sarili mo. Y'all sucks. Ikaw si Among Us ba? Ang. Shut up, babe! Hindi. I-serious na natin. Yes, serious na. I am not kidding. Sige. A life of a poop? Ikaw yung poop? Ako victim, ha? Mama. With a knife, yes. ako popost sa kanya. Meron bagong emote eh. Creepy. Ito emote ko. Yes. Knife yan. Hindi yan butcher knife. Hindi kasi vanity. Say my hangers, my problem.
Asan na yung mo?
Umayos yung kamay mo dyan. Sige. Lalagay ko siya sa basurahan. Creepy. Yes. Gumagawa yan na pose. Half general, half creepy. Tsaka ako nagpa-fighting back for my life pero ako namatay, okay? Tsaka yung ayan sa I'll kill everyone with my knife. Okay? Now that's it. Or you will die. Yes. Now. Go. Yes. Bilisan mo. We are running out of time. I will kill everyone with my knife. Okay? Tsaka new slide. Okay. Ilagay mo dyan character. Ako mag-e-edit. Kunyari, yan. Ako maglalagay ng walking. Ayan, dito muna. Kasi maganda to. Okay. Yes. Saka nandyan ako. Ako muna yung first victim. Huwag mo galawin Sige, you will be dead. Iba-backstab mo daw ako. Pause. Dito sa ipindutin mo yung character ko tsaka punta sa pause. Kailangan mo ng 1,100 para makabili ng isang general. Do not run it or you will be dead by your life. Shut up! Sneak. Okay. A life of a killer with a knife. I will kill everyone. Ayan. Bilisan mo. Magpa-part 3 kami. Part 3. Yes. Now go! Go. Okay. What is now? Okay. Lobat na ako. Okay, sorry. Kailangan ko mag-charge. Yes, I am finally charged. Ito, bumibili. Nandyan backflip? Wala. Bakit ang laki mo kasi po sa akin?
Water 7.
6, 7! Okay. Ikaw maggalaw dito. Tsaka ako maglalagyan ng animation. Ay, ano nangyari sa avatar ko?
Ikaw na. Kaya ka mag-go.
Shut up! Don't be, tamad-tamad. Like lang, akong binili, ko-copy ko to. Copy and paste. Ito, next.
Who's your friend? Ipasok mo ba?
Yes.
Huwag mo kayo ipasok mo ba?
Yes.
Hey. Tulog mo ako? Hey. Hey. Tulog mo ako mag-iba. Ah. So we are just students.
Next. Ayan. Nag-grab ka ng knife. Wait lang. Ako Hindi. Nag-walk ka pa. Nag-walk. Okay. Animate. Okay. Tsaka, iko-copy ko. Yun. Tsaka, meron pala ako bago din dito eh. Down. At tsaka, dapat I've been unconscious. Tsaka, ako, lagay ng blood. Ikaw, lang Yes. This is perfect. Ay, ang laki. Ang rami kong blood. Okay. Yun. Tsaka, iaano ko yung post mo. Tsaka, hahaha. Anuhin mo. Muhahaha. Tsaka ako maggagawa ng sound.
May mga try.
Ito.
General to ka na?
Hindi. Wala ko nun eh. Okay, gagawin namin to part 3. So, bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.